What do you see?
Did Santa come?
Lydia, what do you see? Did Santa come and bring you lots of gifts?
Oh, look, more stickers.
Lydia, what's this right here?
Hmm?
What is that?
A bicycle.
A tricycle. Who do you think that's for?
Uh-oh, it's stuck in the bell.
It's stuck.
It's dead.
Can you sit on it?
Can you sit on it?
Daddy, sit.
You sit. It's for you. Come here. Come here. Let go.
Hang on, Ted. Can I get in front of you? Sorry, I can't get around the other way. Oh! Ah! Are you figuring out where to put your feet? What do you think of that, Lydia?
Daddy.
Yeah.
I think she's trying to figure it out. There you go.
Push.
Push with your feet. Of course, we put you right at a roadblock.
Daddy, go.
Push. Push with your feet.
Oh, Mama can't go fast enough.
My trio.
We'll come back and get them.
Can you move your feet in a circle like that?
What do you think, Lydia? Is it super cool?
Dad, I'm jumping.
Do you want to see if Santa brought you anything else?
Hey, Liddy. Liddy.
No.
Oh, okay. Lydia? Lydia,
Huh?
this is from your Grandma and Grandpa Arnold. Can you say
No.
Merry Christmas?
No.
Okay, just take it back to your bedroom.